Welcome home. This 5 years new home boasts a split floor plan, open concept with high ceilings throughout, with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, inside laundry, and fully fenced backyard is ready for its next residence. As we walk through the front door, you're greeted with beautiful low-maintenance tile. On the left, you'll find 2 secondary carpeted bedrooms, with ceiling fans and the second bath with a tub/shower combo. From there, we continue down the foyer that leads to the open concept kitchen/great room combo that overlooks the fully fenced backyard. It's perfect for watching the game or staying involved with gatherings. Off to the right of the great room, you find the indoor laundry room with washer/dryer hookups. It's also the access to the 2-car garage. As we leave the laundry room, we walk back through the great room. You'll find the ensuite master bedroom that overlooks the backyard. The ensuite master bath is complete with 2 closets. One of the closets is a walk-in closet, a walk-in shower and double vanities. We walk back out to the great room and go out to the fully vinyl fenced backyard. Plenty of room to add a pool, an outdoor kitchen, or whatever else your imagination can dream of. With an acceptable offer, seller offering a $4,000 credit at closing for a bedroom flooring allowance so you can choose the flooring to your liking. Come see it soon. Houses this nice don't last long. Click on this link to view the Matterport tour, virtual walkthrough. https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=prep 4 p.m. Video tour https://highcree.hd.pics/14113 Covert Green PL1